For a long time, I've wanted to create a source of sustainable fuels in the Southeast United States. I think it's a responsibility of Airbus to provide the leadership for this initiative. So we made a commitment with our partner Jetblue to deliver airplanes out of Mobile, Alabama with a 15% blend of sustainable fuels.
Airbus has a strong commitment to make aviation sustainable and to leverage our position in Alabama and the industry in the process. In the short term, we'll deliver 5 aircraft this year to JetBlue. These will create opportunities for Alabama farmers to develop new markets for their products without displacing food and feed crops. And additionally, refineries and other production facilities would be needed in the region, creating newly skilled jobs.
We were in 2016 the first manufacturer in the world to deliver for our customers aircraft from Toulouse with sustainable fuels in the tank. After Toulouse, we have launched a similar project in the US from our site located in Mobile in Alabama to continue to be close to our customers and then to deliver sustainable fuels for all deliveries. That will be an additional step because we will continue with Hamburg, our site in Germany, in the coming years. More than 150,000 flights have been done already by airlines and in total safety. What I can say that we have today the possibility to use 6 different pathways which are certified to be used on a regular basis. We think that Alabama could become very soon the home basis for the development and the production of sustainable aviation fuels. The fuel has been provided by RBP. It has been produced using cooking oil and has been certified to be used in the complete safety conditions. So the fuel has been loaded into the aircraft by our local fuel provider with his signature flights, and they used a standard truck to do this operation. So in terms of performance, we have no differences when you use sustainable fuels or not, because we use standard kerosene at the end. It's what we have demonstrated with these flights. The great potential of sustainable fuels today are really the potential they have in terms of reduction of CO2 emissions.
I'm here in Mobile, Alabama, because this is JetBlue's first flight with renewable jet fuel. We don't have to be reliant on fossil fuel, and it reduces emissions pollutions by 60% per gallon. The safety is here. The physics and the chemistry have been solved. The only thing standing in our way is how to get the supply chain of renewable jet fuel to places like Mobile, Alabama, and that's what we're solving for today.
We wanted to create a source of alternative fuels in the Southeast United States, particularly Alabama, and make sure that that fuel is available for not just Mobile, but for all of the airlines at all of the airports in the Southeast United States.
Airbus is fully committed to reduce CO2 emissions of and for the aviation industry sector, and we are fully committed as well to the industry CO2 reduction targets. We are also working on the scale-up of sustainable aviation fuels in the aviation sector. We have and we are developing ambitious projects that encompass partnerships with our customers, but also, of course, feedstock and fuel suppliers. Our ambition is to develop the unique opportunity for all of our customers to fly with sustainable aviation fuel from our delivery centers. Today, this is feasible from Toulouse and Mobile, Alabama delivery centers. We are already looking forward to launch new initiatives and new long-term projects with our customers and partners in the future.